Hi everyone, today I am going to start JMeter beginner tutorial series. This is tutorial number 4 and we are going to discuss in this tutorial about the assertions in JMeter. So when I say assertions in JMeter, the first thing comes in mind, what is assertion? Assertion is basically response check. Okay, if you remember, we have discussed about before to this 3 tutorial, that is how to install JMeter, then how to create first load test in JMeter, and how to use listener in JMeter, right? So this was just a recap. Now, as we have discussed, assertion is what? Or basically assertion is response check. Okay, so before executing any test in JMeter, what we need to do first, we need to basically open the JMeter. So how we are opening the JMeter, we need to go inside the Win folder and click this JMeter.bat file. Once you click it, what will happen? One command prompt window will open, and finally your JMeter will open, which is already open here, right? So what we need to do, basically we need to check whether this simple test is working or not. Before to that, what we need to do, we need to add the assertion. Which assertion we are going to use? First assertion we are going to take response assertion, right? So how to do that? Go in the my home website, right click here, go in the assertion and add your response assertion. Now the response assertion is added. You can apply this on the main sample or subsample or only the main sample. Okay, and field to test, basically you wanted to test the text response or you wanted to see the response code. So what we wanted to see, we wanted to see the response code, right? So we click it here, and what we are going to see, response code, right? So response code, if you remember correctly, whenever we are sending some request, we are getting the 200 response code, right? How to check that, I'll show you. Remember, I have told you, like I have designed a website for your testing purpose. We need to check whether it is working or not. So you just go here and click copy this, and after copy this, come here and paste it here, right? See, the website is working for you. Now what you need to do here, we need to check whether our response code is coming or not. So we go in the view result in table and we go in the view result in tree. So we run it now. Okay, so we were sending the 8 sample as you see here, and the ramp up period was 1 second, and loop count, basically we are taking 1 here. Now go in the result tree and see whether the response is coming or not. So see here, the response code is 200, which we are going to test it here. So how to add that? Go and click this add button and make it here 200. Okay, now 200 is added. Now we need to see whether it is working or not. So what we need to see, what we are going to do now, we are going to run it now again, clear all older results, okay, and run it again. So the status is green, mean to say it is working, and the response code is proper. How you can check it here? You go in the my home and you can see the response code. Now we are checking all the positive mode, right? We need to see when we are applying any other response code whether it is working or not. So we go here, right, and we just make it 201. Let's see what happened here. Clear all the older results and run it again. See, you can see here now the status is red, mean to say it is failed, right? It is failed to see. You can see response code should be 200, but what we are sending, we are sending basically 201, right? So now how to check that? So for that, go again in the my home website, right click and add one more assertion, that is your assertion no. So how to check the result? Go here in the my home website and add your one more listener that is your assertion results. Okay, now if you will run it here, what will happen here? It will show you the result. Now what we need to do? We need to clear again all the older results and just see what is the result is coming in the assertion results. So run it again. Okay, so you see here response assertion test full because code expected to contain 201. It should be 200. So how to check it again? Go again in the response assertion and make it 200 again and save it, and now let us check again result. How to do that? Run it again. So now see, you cannot see any error here, and the label is returning back, mean to say it is working perfectly. And you can see also the status in this listener. After checking the assertion result, we can also store this in somewhere in our local folder. So how we can do that? Go in the browse folder, okay, and just see whether we have created one file. Go and click it here. Okay, now what we need to do here, basically we need to clear all older results. Okay, and we need to run it again. Let's see what happened. So because the file is already created, so we need to override this existing file. So we have cleared now existing file, and you can see here, so our sample is now ran, and we need to see whether the report is generated or not. So what we need to do here, go here till this location. Okay, so see whatever we have done in JMeter to collect our report. The name we have given assertion result report.txt. So it is created here. We have to just open it. See. So what's happening here? Label is coming, response code is coming. Okay, and it is showing is iteration 1 of user 1 or iteration 1 of user 8. Okay, so in this way we can also collect our report and we can use it for the further purpose. Now we will discuss the duration assertion. Okay, so just check the sample time. Sample time is minimum is here 5738 and the maximum is 7006. So what is the meaning here? First I'm going to add the assertion and then we will check the result. So go here, add assertion, and what we are going to basically add your duration assertion. Click it here. Okay, so we need to give here the duration in milliseconds. So if you see here, the duration in millisecond, the minimum is 5738 and the maximum is 7006. Mean to say, if we give the duration more than 7006, all the result will pass, and if we give duration less than 5738, all the assertion will fail. Now how to check that? Go in the duration assertion and just give here 5737. Let's see what happens. Just save it, clear all your older result and run it again. We need to overwrite again existing file because this report is already generating there, right? So what we need to do here, next time I'm going to disable that, so this pop-up will not come. Okay, so what happened here, we have given the sample time 5737. Okay, so this first sample has taken 5550 time. That's why it is passed, because it is less than your 5737, and remaining all have become failed because these are taking more time. So if you see here how to make pass it all, just make this time more than 7550. So for the safer side, I am going to take 8000 millisecond. Before to that, what I do, I go and basically I disable this, so that pop-up will not come. Go here, okay, and give your response time 8000. Save it now, okay. Arbiter side give 9000. Save it now. Clear all your older result and run it again. Let's see what happened now. We are also going to remove this one. Now run it again. See, all have become fast because all these are taking less than 8000 millisecond time. Okay. Now the next assertion what we are going to discuss, that will be basically your size assertion. So how to do that? Go here, add your assertion again, and this you check here, size assertion, right? So if you see how much size we are getting, 13887. If you give less than this size, what will happen? This test will fail. If you give more than this time, this test will pass. So what we are going to do? First we are going to fail it intentionally. So what we are going to do? We go here, okay, and we just give 13886. Okay, now let's see what happened. Clear all your older results, save it and run it. As we have discussed, it will be failed because we are taking the strict check here and we are giving here size is 13886, right? So now we try to make it pass. We just give it 13888. Okay, we save it now. We clear all your older result and run it again. Let's see what happens. It is failed because of timing, right? So what we are going to do here, we are also going to disable this now for the timing, and we again clear all older results. We come here, okay, and let's see whether the size will work or not. And one more thing, why it has become fail, the reason behind it, we are taking the strict check. Strict check means to say the size should be same, right? So no need to basically disable this duration assertion. It will work here. Save it, clear all your older result. Now see what will happen. So now all are getting passed, right? Always don't take this strict check. Take always less than, greater than, equal to, or less than equal to, so that your testing will be easy and will be on the real ground basis. Okay, so now the next assertion we will discuss, HTML assertion. Okay, so what we need to do here, I disable this size assertion. This is not needed right now. So what I do here, I come here, I add this HTML assertion, and after adding this, we run it again. Okay, we run it again and we see what's going to happen in the assertion results. So I clear all older results and I run it. So what it is showing? It is showing TD parser errors are 3 and allowed are 0. Warnings are 32, allowed are 0, right? So allowed is 0 and we are getting 3 parser errors and 3 parser warnings. So how to fix it? Go in the HTML assertion, make it 4 and make it 33. Okay, now save it, clear all older result, and now run it. Let's see what will happen in the assertion results. So now it is getting passed and you can see we are getting the green status. Okay. Now if you see here, we can also store our result, right? How we can store here? Go and click this and just check where we have kept our report. Okay, go in the assertion result and this file we take it. Now what we do, we clear all older result. Now nothing is in the result right now. Okay, and what I'm going to do it now, I'm going to run it again. So let's see what happened. All are getting passed. Okay, and we can see our report also. So the report is generated. Just open this. Now you can see here warning, you can see error. Okay, now the next assertion we will discuss the XML assertion. How to do that? Go in this my home website, go select this XML assertion. Okay, and run it. So now it will check all the XML assertion. One more assertion is also there, that is XPath assertion. This we will not discuss here because once we will do the SOAP UI testing, at the time of we will discuss this XPath assertion. Basically it is used to see the your node of your website. Okay, like whether it's a dynamic node or the static node. So go here and how it can be done again at the XPath assertion. So, but I'm letting you know here because it is important, and when we will start the series of SOAP UI testing, at that time I will let you know how to deal with this XPath assertion. This is all about the discussion agenda for the today, and in the upcoming series we will discuss few more tutorial. Thanks for watching, and if you like it, please subscribe. Thank you. Notes also I will provide in the description section, so if you need any help and if you have any confusion, please let me know in the comment section. I will come back with the solution.